Oh, I got that one. I got that one. You know what it is. Welcome back to the kitchen. Got another one from Ikonic Sports. This is the balanced Ikonic Firecracker 13-inch barrel. We got a 27. Shout out to Aaron Wells and Dane Lee letting me try it out. Really like the last review that we did on the T-Mac. So this should have the same barrel, just balanced. So we're gonna check it out, see what it do. Stay tuned. We hit on a big field over here at GT Break. 375 dead center, 325. So it's gonna be kind of hard with the wind blowing in, but let's go. Oh, God damn. Well, God damn. The firecracker. Nah, that's in here. I ain't finished. What's crazy is, ain't nobody catch that. That's done. Oh, I got that one. I got that one. Woo. Nah, that's in here. That's deep part of the field. All right, welcome back, man. Just saw the swings that we took on the Ikonic Firecracker. This is a balanced bat, 13-inch barrel, 27 ounce, scaled at 26.9. Got about 150 swings on it. Really, I mean, you just ball marks, but no stretch marks or spider webbing or any signs of breaking. And I mean, I beat this bat up. And I think 150 of my swings will definitely get a bat where it needs to be. Really love the design, you know, tribute to Americana, just in time for the 4th of July, the firecracker. The sweet spot was massive, just like the Mac that it just dropped as well. You know, really nice sweet spot. You know, I didn't really check the balance point, but in the hands it swung very easy as well. The flex was good in the bat. I think there was a few balls that I was able to get out the park. The park was hitting, I was a little bit bigger, you know, 375 dead center, 325 down the line, and we're standing about 20 feet behind home plate as well. So, you know, and the balls I'm hitting is regular 44, 375, few classic M's, a few 52s, nothing too crazy. So again, the thing with this bat, the sound of this bat, I mean, it truly did sound like a firecracker when you connect it on the barrel. For you guys who are looking for that feedback with not only feel but sound, it is right there with this bat. So again, check them out. Ikonic Sports, Beast Mode series. You know, again, there's no complaints, nothing to find on this bat. To get this bat to perform the way it has so far, and to get the distance that I'm getting with this bat, shows that they have done a great job listening to the consumer compared to last year's bat. Last year's bat I thought was a very good bat, but I don't think the guys who have a slower swing speed really care for the bat. And this bat right here, it's definitely can cater to the guys who have maybe a 80, 85 mile an hour swing speed and get the performance out of the bat. So check them out, Iconic Sports, Iconic Firecracker. Another good one to add to the collection. Great job. Peace.